Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a Colab GPU and mounting drive so files persist. Once done, create a working folder and upload your dataset and base model weights. Next, install required packages. This sets the environment and avoids version conflicts. You must also configure Git credentials if pulling repos. While installing, watch for CUDA compatibility messages and accept notebook permissions. These steps let you run training notebooks immediately and prevent permission or dependency stalls later. Now you prepare data and the base model for low array fine-tuning. You should tokenize captions, set a max length, and build data loaders with appropriate batching so GPU RAM is steady. Then load the pre-trained model and wrap it with a PEFT low array config, specifying rank R, alpha scaling, and dropout. Those control capacity and stability. Make sure to move the model to the GPU and enable gradient checkpointing if you need memory savings, because that maintains speed. Begin training with a conservative schedule and watch learning rate, loss curves, and GPU utilization. You should save low array adapter checkpoints periodically to drive so you can resume. Once satisfied, merge adapters into the base model for deployment or keep them lightweight for switching. If training fails, troubleshoot. If you hit out of memory, lower batch size, switch to half precision, or enable gradient checkpointing. If results overfit, reduce steps or add augmentation. These fixes get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.